You're boarding a flight to Mars. The captain's voice crackles through the speakers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts. We'll be cruising at 30,000 feet or approximately 300 million kilometers, depending on how you look at it. In real life, airplanes need air. Airplanes fly because their wings push against air molecules to create lift. Their engines work by sucking in oxygen and burning fuel. Space has none of that. It's basically the world's largest no smoking, no oxygen zone, so airplanes in space don't work. Unless, what if we cheated physics? Let's imagine that airplanes could somehow fly in space exactly like they do in Earth's atmosphere. That means wings still magically generate lift. Jet engines still find air to burn, even though there isn't any. Basically, outer space is treated like sky. Flights to the moon. A budget airline announces the first non-stop flight to the moon. Estimated flight time, about 19 days. Bring snacks. In-flight service. Would you like chicken, pasta, or a freeze-dried asteroid sample? Space traffic jams. Imagine looking up and instead of stars, you see thousands of planes stuck in interplanetary rush hour. Saturn as a tourist destination. Forget rockets. Airlines add a direct flight to Saturn. ETA, 300 years. Good luck with the layovers. Turbulence in space. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. We're hitting a patch of solar wind turbulence. Here's the kicker. If planes could really fly in space, they'd actually ruin space travel, because airplanes are painfully slow compared to rockets. A rocket gets you to orbit in 8 minutes. A plane would take 3 weeks, if it could even get that high. To Mars? Centuries. So instead of sleek starships, humanity's grand future would look like a line of sweaty people in economy class waiting for peanuts on a 200-year United flight to Jupiter. And if you thought losing your luggage was bad, imagine trying to find your suitcase at the intergalactic baggage claim. Final screen text. What if airplanes flew in space? Answer. Humanity would reach the stars, but only after 17 layovers, 2,000 delays, and one very angry airline pilot.